Welcome back to my channel. There is so much unrealistic content on the internet that, as a conscientious person, you might be wondering whether mineral water can actually improve the health of your plants. Is it a good idea or a bad one? Don't worry, there isn't a single video on my channel that doesn't reflect the truth. We test many tips about your plants every day, and we know very well how we can help you. Now let's watch together our video about how and on which plants we should use mineral water. Fill a container with 2 liters of water and add about half a tea glass of mineral water to it. Submerge the pots in this water and wait 10 to 15 minutes for the tree bark and roots to fully absorb the water. You can do this process once every 2 or 3 months. Do not do it more frequently. Your orchids whose growth has stopped will suddenly start to grow rapidly. These 2 orchids are ones that florists threw away because they thought they had wilted. I published its video last month. Previously, we fed them with soda water and pruned their flower stems. Now they've even started to grow new leaves. After these procedures, you too will witness visible changes in your flowers. After mixing in equal proportions and filling it into a spray bottle, you can also apply it to your orchid leaves and other plants as a foliar spray. In emergency interventions, nutrients are usually given through the leaves. Just like when we are hospitalized and receive medication intravenously, its effect is faster. You can drain the water from pots that have fully absorbed it and put them back in their place. You can also tell that the roots have absorbed the water by the color of the roots changing from gray to green. Mineral water is quite rich in nutrients for plants. The minerals and micronutrients it contains accelerate plant growth and development. However, water with a high mineral content can also hinder plant development. Too much of anything is harmful. Some plants prefer pure water over mineral water. Pure water allows our plants to survive, but it does not give them the strength to keep growing and developing their leaves. Carnivorous plants are accustomed to growing in very poor soils. For this reason, they obtain their nutrients from the insects they catch and digest. Giving mineral water to a carnivorous plant can kill it. The root system has adapted so well to its natural environment that it has become very sensitive. Do not give soda or mineral water to carnivorous plants. Do not immerse other flowers in the same water you use for soaking your orchid. Since the growth hormone secreted by the orchid mixes into the water in this container, it does not harmonize with the hormones of other plants and can harm them. You can immerse it in clean water and support your flower by feeding its leaves with soda water. We've come to the end of another video. Share this video so everyone can see it and leave a comment below. At the very least, give some feedback, like a simple thank you or a suggestion. Write it down. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, you can subscribe for free to support me. If you want to be the first to know about new videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in my next videos.